people love blaming others for how their life is instead of changing and doing something about it.
Some people follow the path they were given, others decide to rewrite it completely. Today's guest is someone who chose not to wait for an opportunity, she built it. Known online as Neha Jat, she represents a new generation of entrepreneurs who are redefining what success looks like in the digital age. From navigating uncertainty to stepping into the world of online business, her journey reflects something deeper than just income. It reflects belief and the decision to bet on yourself when nothing is guaranteed. Welcome to Become the Victor, where we don't just talk about what someone went through, we talk about who they became because of it. Please welcome Neha Jat.
Amazing. Thank you for that, Victor. Awesome. So, my name is Neha. Just a little bit about me. So, I'm actually based in New Zealand. So, currently I'm 20 years old. Pretty much I've been working online for nearly 2 years now. So, what it is that I do, do network marketing as well as trading and investing. So, potentially 2 years ago, I was in uni, so I was studying full-time fashion design, got out of my hometown, and really just started doing something else. And this business just came out of nowhere. So I was in my very first year on like the end of my very first year, and I was like, you know what? I don't really know what I want to be doing. Like, do I want to go to uni next year? Because a lot of my friends were like dropping out somewhere and going on to that second year. And I was like, if I go into my second year, why not do my third year and finish my bachelor's? But I was at a stage where I was already really drained out from uni. So I was like, you know what, maybe I'll just drop out, do a full-time job and just save up some money to travel or like start my own business. But I don't know what happened. Some girl reached out to me randomly on Instagram and she was like, hey, I really love your fashion design stuff. Like, you're really good at content creation, all that. Like, would you be down to start like an online business and do network marketing and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what, I'll give it a try, see if I like it or not. And I just jumped on a call with her and I was like, okay, explain to me what it is. And she did. And I just kind of went through everything and just started doing network marketing and started learning a bit more about trading and investing. So I know the stage that I was at when I started this business up. Like, I clearly remember 2 days before I jumped on the call with her, I was literally sitting on my bed, bawling my eyes out because I'm the type of person that puts a lot of pressure on themselves. And I was like, I need to make something of myself. Like, I'm turning 19 soon and then 20 in another year or so. And then, 10 more years and I'm 30. Like, it was a bit scary for me. So I was like, I'll jump on a call with you. No, I was like crying on my bed and I was like, okay, I don't know what to do. Like, I need a sign. Like, I need to start something new. Like, should I just start my own business and blah, 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 blah. So many thoughts in my head. And I was like, okay, there's nothing to do. I'm just going to kind of wait it out. And then when that girl messaged me, I was very skeptical. Like, when you get a message from like some random person online and you think it's a scam. So I didn't really trust it, but I was like, okay, maybe this is a sign because I was literally bawling my eyes out 2 days ago. So maybe it's the universe telling me I need to start something new and take this risk. So I did that. I got started up, put my money into the business, and since then I've obviously been able to travel a lot. Like, I've been to quite a lot of places in the last like year and a half, as well as being able to host a lot of events around New Zealand, and I'm flying over to Australia in literally less than 2 days to host not host but speak at another event, which is very, very exciting. But yes, like, obviously with network marketing and trading and investing, I know a lot of people are very skeptical to start up with things like this, especially online with a complete stranger. But trust me, like, that risk is so worth it. Like, when I tell you, I cannot be more grateful. Like, I was literally talking to my sister the other day because she started the business with me as soon as she turned 18. So I was like, imagine if I started when I was your age. Like, imagine where I would be in like another year's time. But at the end of the day, like, there's no wrong time to start a business like this. But I'm grateful that I did start when I had the opportunity to and didn't wait around or thought too much about it, because that's where a lot of people get stuck, especially girls. Like, they need to think over and over about it and then they never end up actually doing it. And I've done that before with a lot of business ideas and stuff that I had. But yeah, so I've obviously been in the industry for nearly 2 years and I do mentor other girls and guys in this industry to do with like trading and investing and network marketing. Obviously, I'm not an advisor or anything, but just helping them through the products and platforms, and also just building up on those sales and network marketing skills on social media, especially because in New Zealand, we don't get paid for social media like people in America do. So the best way we need to do it is just by having an online business where that could bring us some income through helping other people getting started up on the business and everything like that. But yeah, there's like a little bit about me. And on the side, I just love going out to the gym, being really active, and just, yeah, I am a creative person, but haven't really done a lot of the things I used to do before I started this business up. But at the end of the day, I do get to travel and work on my own with my own schedule, which is something that I'm really grateful for. But yeah, is that kind of everything you wanted me to cover?
That's incredible, incredible.